What's your name?
I'm
What is your English name?
Tom.
Hi, Tom. How old are you, Tom?
I'm 7 years old.
Good job. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Yes, good job. Are you hungry?
No.
Thirsty? No, I don't. Okay, I'm not hungry. No, I'm not thirsty. What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Do you like apples? Yes, good job. What color do you like?
I like red.
Good job. What color is your shirt?
It's blue.
Very good. What color is my watch?
It's black.
What color is my nail?
It's pink.
Good job. Ooh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me your finger. Where is your finger? Here, can you show me your finger? Finger. Yes, good job. Now let's start. What letter is it? Letter.
Letter N. Sound N. Letter N. Sound N. Letter O. Sound O. Letter B. Sound B. Letter B.
Q.
Letter Q. Sound Q. Letter R. Sound R.
Yay! Good job, Tom. You did well. Next, look at this picture. What sounds M? Letter M sounds. Letter M sounds.
Mountain.
Again, what sounds M?
Mountain.
Good. Here, what sounds O?
Orange.
Good. What sounds B?
Popcorn.
Good job. Next, what sounds R?
Robot.
Good. Yay. You did well. Okay, next, last part. Can you show me the monkey? Where is the monkey? Monkey. What's the color?
Color brown.
Brown. Do you like monkeys?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Okay. What's the first letter?
Letter N.
What's the sound? M sounds.
Sound N.
Okay. Next, where is the nest? Nest. Where is it? Ooh, nest. Nest. Can you show me? Yeah, there you go. Nest. Where is? Okay, let me choose. What's this? It's an
Ostrich.
Do you like ostrich?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. What's this?
It's rabbit.
Rabbit. What's the beginning letter?
Letter R.
What? What's the sound?
R.
What's the color?
Right.
White.
What?
Good. Do you like rabbits?
Yes. It's
Do you like rabbits? Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. I like rabbits too. Where is the rose? Rose. Good. What's the color of the rose?
Red.
Red. Where is panda? Panda. Can you tell me the color of the panda?
It's white and black.
White and black. Say it again. It's white.
White and
Say
black.
white.
White
And
and black.
good. Tom, very nice. Okay. Who is this?
It's
Queen. What's the first letter? Letter.
letter Q.
What's the sound? Good. What's the first letter? Letter. B. What's the sound? Good job. Double fist bump. Boom. Say